So on Fiverr, it's where sellers sell their skills. They sell their gigs, their YouTube gigs, and others. And also, as you can see, they sell graphic and designs, digital marketing, writing and translation, video, music, and audio. As long as you have expertise on one of them, you can bring your skills here and earn a little bit of cash as a side hustle. Also, the payment method is credit card, PayPal, and let me look for it here. So for you to start selling, you need to click on become a seller. So on Fiverr, every 4 seconds a gig is bought and transactions are there over 50 million and price ranges from $5 to 10,000. So we click on become a seller. So here you can log in either using Facebook, Google, or Apple. So let me log in with the account I'm going to use on this tutorial. And also make sure the email that you're going to create a Fiverr account with is connected with a PayPal account or your credit card. Also make sure you look for the country that supports PayPal. So let's continue. So you choose your username and password. And also, as you're choosing your username, remember that once you choose your username, you can't change it no matter what. It's the name that you're going to use when making your sales on Fiverr. So let me put mine. As you can see, it's a bit taken. So we can maybe use just the initials of the email. Let's see whether it's available. Yeah, it's available. And also put my password. And then click on join. As you can see, we need to verify and activate our account by going to the email and clicking on activate. So let's go ahead to gmail.com. So here it is. Let's open and then you click on activate your account. As you can see, it's already verified. It has been activated. So all you need to do is edit your profile. You click on edit your profile. So here you're supposed to write your full name, the name that is registered with this email, or the name that you're using, or the name that will appear on PayPal when paid out. So only let me put mine. And then here you're supposed to click on forever so that it will be more advantageous to you because it will be shown to everyone. So and then you click on save changes. So the next thing we need to do, so after that, after you have already set up your profile, you need to click for become a seller for you to continue setting up the profile. So ready to start selling on Fiverr is the breakdown. Learn how to make a successful profile, create your seller profile, publish your own gig. So we click on continue. Also, you can go through this. So we click on continue. So here you're supposed to write your full name, the real name that you're going to use. Also, don't forget to put a profile that you're going to use on the account. So here you can choose to write your name. So let's do that. Also, the last name you can use the second name. Choose me. Also, remember to upload the profile picture that appears maybe on your ID, that is identification card. So let's use one of my child. So for now, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to use my here. Let me use this one. But always remember that you're supposed to use your own picture. So on the description, if you're completely a beginner, you can use other people's account to know what you really want and what you're capable of. So let's look at other people's profile. Maybe you can learn a thing or two to write on your description. So for this, we're going to concentrate on remove background. So let's add one. So as you can see, according to the specification, you can choose to take one or two things. So about the seller, click on about the seller. As you can see, top-rated agency in Fiverr, recently added to your working as agency, professional service group. So for this one, let's not consider it because it's already a group and we want to concentrate on individuals. So let's take another seller, but make sure you don't copy paste the details of the seller. Maybe take 2 or 3 ideas from what he or she has described. So as you can see, for this one, he has described himself. Hey there, welcome to my profile. I'm Dala. I'm a professional graphic designer specialized in background and logo design. I have outstanding experience for more than 4 years. It's best to cultivate a modern art. I promise you to honestly with full satisfaction for your buyer experience. So you can choose to copy this, but remember we are going to edit the details. So you can choose hey welcome to my profile. I'm Joshua. especially in background removal and in logo designs. I have such an experience. You can write your experience. So let's say it's 2 years. Yeah. So you can also add your own. You will deliver within a short so as you can see, you can also write a few of these. You can write background removal, Photoshop editor, so experience you can write intermediate, education, college, maybe you can choose the college that you attended. First, make sure you choose the country of the college. So let's search. Yeah, here you are. Certificate, you can choose to upload your certificate, but if you don't have, you can leave it. So then click on, if you have a website, you can also include it in the description. So you click on continue. For skills, background removal, please add at least one. Even you have others which you are suggested. So let's go with this one and then click on continue. So you can choose to link your Google account, to link your Facebook or Twitter, but it's not a must, so you can leave it like that. And also there are others which you can link. Then you click on continue. So after this, you can choose to verify your account through phone number and then click continue, and then you're good to go. And you can start making money with Fiverr. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Kindly make sure you share, subscribe and like the video. Also, on my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a gig on Fiverr and start making money with it. Yeah, that's for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.